Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Razr Fold, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, which is great. So now we need to open more options, and all you need to do is to swipe your finger from the top to the center. So just do something like that. Or if you don't want to use the swipe option, just tap on this option in the right upper corner to open more settings. Here we've got the timer, so just tap on it. And in this device we've got 3 different options, so off, 10 and 3 seconds delay. So I'll pick 10 seconds delay, so just tap on the option which you'd like to use. As you can see here we've got this the timer icon changed, and now it indicates which timer we've got set. So now we can go back to the camera, and unfortunately we do not have any kind of indication, any kind of sign that we've got the timer set. Which is not great, because we can be surprised, especially in the situation when we want to take a photo quickly. But that's okay. All you need to do is to tap on the shutter button now, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, and if you wish to turn off the timer, just tap on the settings icon again, tap on the timer and tap on this crossed out icon. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.